Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Resident Evil 9 and you keep getting this error, an unhandled exception occurred with this error code, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Resident Evil 9 easily. So this problem has a very easy solution. The solution is you're going to download Resident Evil frameworks. So just open up your web browser and then go on to this link. I'm going to put this link into the description of the video. You're going to come here at this Nexus Mods website, and then you're just going to download this Resident Evil framework. Afterwards, you're going to extract it into your Resident Evil Requiem folder. Once you extract it in your games folder, your game should start working and it will not crash anymore. You're going to have to extract this tinput8.dll file in your Resident Evil folder. So just extract it in your games folder. Afterwards, just try to play the game and you'll see that your game will now work. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.